How to master LinkedIn video. That's exactly what we're talking about in today's video, and we're starting right now. So in this video, I'm going to give you 3 quick tips that if I wanted to go ahead and master video on LinkedIn, these are the steps I would take. So tip number 1, make sure you make video for the specific platform that you're on. So for example, we're talking about LinkedIn. Now, unlike all the other social media platforms, such as Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn is basically all focused around business. So let me give you an example. If you have a Shopify store that sells yoga pants, LinkedIn probably is not the platform you want to be on. But if you're trying to target CEOs or small businesses because you have a course that'll show them how to get more leads and more sales and more customers, then LinkedIn is definitely the platform for you. So make sure that you target each of these platforms with the right target audience. For example, LinkedIn is all business. So make sure that your content is business related. Pretty simple, right? Tip number 2. Now, if I was making video to try to master video on LinkedIn, I would probably make the video in the format that is most easily consumed on that platform. And on most of the platforms, that seems to be video that is optimized for mobile. What I mean is video that is optimized for the mobile phone. So that's the next tip I would give you. Whatever your content is, make sure that you optimize it for the delivery system that it's going to be used on. So for example, if your viewers are going to be watching everything on the phone, then make the content easily deliverable on the phone. Try not to make wide 4K videos. Make a format that is easily digestible on the phone, something the phone can handle. And that video size, it's probably going to be a square video, same kind of stuff that we use with Instagram. It's, I believe, 180 pixels by 180 pixels, but just make it a square, and that will be the right format that you can use on your cell phone. So again, if I was making video that I wanted to try to master on LinkedIn, I would definitely make it in the format that is most viewed on that platform, and that seems to be at this time the mobile phone. So make the content mobile phone friendly. And lastly, number 3, what I would also do is I would make content that was in chunks, which was in a series. Here's what I mean. Let's say you were making a video all about how to get more leads and sales. I would make it a 2 or 3 part video series. So part number 1, you would release and give actionable content. And in that video, you would say, and if you like this content, make sure to watch my other video in part 2, which is coming up on, and tell them when it's coming up on. Series videos seem to do a lot better because they draw the user in. They give them a reason to come back and watch your next video. So I would break my videos up into series so that I could get more views, more eyeballs, and more people interested in my content because it's a 2 or 3 part series. So did you like this content? Let me know by giving this video a like, and make sure you don't forget to subscribe. This way you won't miss any of the video goodness that I make just for you. I've also noticed a lot of people have a hard time being on camera. They feel a little awkward and nervous, but don't worry, I've got you covered. I have a 5-day camera confidence course that you can take. It's absolutely free. And if you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description down below. If you want to see more videos just like this, make sure you watch this video right over here, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.